Hey, what's up, you guys? Justin Salter here to teach you 5 things, or not teach you, but tell you 5 reasons, to play the guitar, learn to play the guitar, or just play the guitar in general. The first one is it's fun, right? It's fun, it's rewarding. I just went on a trip, saw my buddy, shout out to Christian, down in Temecula, and brought this beautiful guitar, and we played some of his favorite songs, and it was fun, and it was rewarding. And all those, late nights and early days and, practicing songs and playing songs kind of, paid off a little bit because, if there's a song that someone wants to hear, I can usually figure out how to play it pretty quickly. So yeah, it's fun. It's rewarding. Number 2, you'll never regret it. I mean, you'll never regret learning how to play the guitar. I play drums and piano as well. The nice thing about the guitar is it's so portable. You can take it, like I said, I took it on my trip. You can't really take drums, camping, and stuff like that. So the guitar is just so nice. It's so portable. You can take it anywhere, unlike a piano or drums. So that's another reason. 3, kind of funny, but true. Chicks dig it, or guys, whatever you're into. But people like it, it adds riches to your life. And like I said, chicks dig it. I mean, I hate to say it, but like I said, yeah. And then the 4th reason is it's valuable. I mean, look at me right now. I'm building this YouTube channel just based off the last 20 years of me playing the guitar, and you can make a living from it. I mean, you can teach others, you can do gigs, there's a lot of different, you can write music for other people or yourself. It's a valuable thing, I mean, this guitar is valuable. I mean, shoot, I paid an arm and a leg for this thing. So, it's inherently valuable. And like I said, you'll never regret learning how to play but you will regret not playing. In fact, I saw an interview they did all these people kind of on their deathbeds, at the end of their lives, and a lot of them regret not playing music more or doing things that they loved more. They worked too much. A lot of them regret working, on stuff to make money and not working on stuff that they're really passionate about, like playing guitar. In fact, rest in peace to my uncle Alan Weeks. But, when he was getting older, before he passed away, he was spending all his time just learning songs and playing guitar, So that's the 4th reason. And the 5th reason, I kind of forget. It's like I said, it's a rewarding hobby you'll never regret. It's fun. Chicks dig it. It's valuable. What else? What's the 5th reason? Well, the 5th reason is in today's social media world, everything's so scroll, this and that and the other. It's a real way it's a great hobby in that when you're playing the guitar, you're not looking at your phone unless you're learning a song, right? And you have guitar tabs or something in front of you. But for the most part, your mind, your body, your soul, your spirit, your hands, you're fully engaged in this instrument. And I think that's really important nowadays, especially to get away from the screens and pick up a guitar, and play songs you love, and get better. It's like, every time you pick up the guitar, you might write something or play something or learn something. And it's just fun. It's rewarding. You'll never regret it. And there's a million other reasons, but, for me, being a drummer and an engineer and a producer, and I play piano as well. Guitar is just, all you need is an acoustic guitar. You don't need a million things or a heavy piano or a heavy keyboard or a million drums and a million cymbals. And, even with drums, I get bored with drums because you're sitting around playing drums, and it's like at the end of the day, you want, music to play to. So with the guitar, it's like all you need is an acoustic guitar. You don't need amps and all the complicated messes of guitar pedals and amps and tones and That's one of the reasons why I just got rid of all my other instruments. I sold my drums, my guitars. I have a couple keyboards that I'm probably going to sell, actually. And I literally am just going back to the basics of just having an acoustic guitar. Because you don't have to worry about getting the right tones and sounds. It's like you tune up. And like I said, with these higher end guitars, you don't even have to barely tune. I tuned before it, and of course the guitar was perfectly in tune already. But yeah, that's basically it, man. Leave a comment if you can think of any other reasons. And by the way, that little piece I played in the intro is actually an original piece. I've been playing that for 20 years. I mean, it starts with this cool, like, C with a G over chord to the E major chord. Sorry, E major. I almost said minor. Same shape. You just drop it on the G string, or the E string. So it's the same exact E major shape. You just pick it up and drop it down here. And it sounds like that. To get back to you on there with that, I'm pretty sure that's a C with a G, C over G. But I'll have to get back to the exact chord. And then it's like another E major form. Actually, I guess it's still E major, it's just an octave up. Drop a comment, and peace and love. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll be doing a long one every week, every Thursday, and then a short one every Sunday morning. So peace and love.